We move, guys. We're gonna listen to this.
My name is Mrs. Adobe Anibog. And beside me is my husband, Mr. Dominic Anibog. We are from Anambra State, Anambra West, local government. My family, we were enemies of Zion. We were among the critics. Ipota Evangelist Ebuka Obi munaga. This is not ARRANGEE. ARRANGEE, I will not be here.
This is not ARRANGEE. ARRANGEE, I will not be here. Did you hear that? This is not ARRANGEE. For those of you wasting there online or non-online, talking that Ebuka Obi na-eme ARRANGEE, not na-eme ARRANGEE. This is not ARRANGEE. No ARRANGEE, I will not be here. If it is ARRANGEE, she will not be there to testify what God have used Evangelist Ebuka Obi to do in her life and the life of her husband and the family. My people, welcome back again to ADADICHEVLOGSTV. Now your girl, your sister, your friend. On one equal. I will take one Ozoma Kenaga Mburumburu na social media. One of those people they criticize Evangelist Ebuka Obi with her husband. He said it here openly. If you watch the clip of video when I first put before I start talking. He said, if you mention Ebuka Obi name, he in trouble. Or if you mention her for where your husband did, I be saying they go take you cook soup. On the hear them. So now, on they'll see this woman will be one of the family, will be one of the people where they criticize what they say Ebuka Obi, where they say Zion ARRANGEE, but hand don't meet her today. I go leave one, I go watch the testimony. Make her watch the testimony and see what this woman talk about the ARRANGEE testimony. Jesus Christ. This kind of ARRANGEE, I know say you go like and make it come to your side. Because if you're a person will be say he believe in Jesus Christ, the Son of Mary, the Son of Mary, God Almighty, the God that God sent to take care of us. Where we say, nah, I'll be no ye can man again. But what else on the ye can man, there will book a wages on Haja. See, angwa. Would I look mumundala nihi? Nda na agafu agafu. Ndo bihando ndo obi ha pro n'ebe m nọ ka atụmata shampuru obi ha ọ wee ka Ebuka na-eme ọ na-afụ ha na-abịa one by one. Iwu those people wey be say they like to criticize men of God, women of God, people where God they use to work. Whether not fake, not be fake, is not our business. What we know is that the ones God are using working, the original, no one is a bad thing, but the one will be say themselves know, say God they use them, make God bless them, make God stop to criticize them. Even if not be God send those one come, make God still appreciate God. For them too to touch to say God is great, to then say Jesus is the Lord. Only that one alone, you need to respect them. Okay, guys. You know, say my viewers, and I say I they talk too much. You know, be say I they talk too much. You know, be say I decrease. Now God, now they praise. You know, be say I they talk too much. Now God, now they analyze things. So we be say God they use Evangelist Ebuka do in the life of people. My people make us stay tuned and watch this testimony. Why I see the talk make I reach this extent be say, and I know say everything with them social media, you need to do they need to do the talk where they side so that this video go balance. You understand me? So then the thing go balance. So more than no verse for my viewers, for those who they watch me, you want to add the rock because join to along. Kai baga name video, kai video. Let's jump into the testimony. Let's jump into the testimony. We're gonna see what God do in this life of this family. Make it clear, Mamo. Don't watch alone. Don't and share this video. Share the video. Share the video and like. Subscribe.
The kids, no.
Let's go.
We hated him with passion. I fully as a demonic man of God. So it happened in November last year. I was very sick. I didn't expect to go to the extent that I became unconscious. They took me to a hospital in Surulere, Ebaibi. Best Friends Hospital, to be precise. So when we got there, I was diagnosed of so many. Even now, the doctor I did too much. I can't even remember. It was so much. The doctor later called us. Bamna, I will not survive this. Now, December that I should thank God. In fact, I was going to die. So when I was unconscious in that hospital the very day we came, I was in coma. Spiritually, I encountered our daddy, somebody that I hated with passion. He came to me, he ministered healing and deliverance. The next thing I noticed was that I opened my eyes. I came back to life. The nurse was there attending to me. She said, "Madam," she removed all their apparatus from my body. "Madam, you have been discharged." That was how I was discharged. If you had seen me then, I was looking 70 years plus. Meanwhile, I am less than 50. That same minute, I walked home from the hospital to my house. The foods the doctor said I should stop eating, I have been eating those foods and I'm very healthy. From November till today, I have not taken paracetamol. The Lord healed me. My second testimony goes like this. For some years, we were finding it difficult to survive, to pay our bills. Most time, my husband will call his colleagues to send 2,000 to buy gas. So, after that healing, I told my husband in January that this same evil man that healed me, that I want us to go there live. So we came here on the 8th of January. I know Nazu. So there, I lost my spiritual gift for years because I went to wrong places. So coming here, I told God, if this man is a confirmed son of God, that I want to have an encounter, I need my gift back. That same day, that day, Metromaka, or be other side, I know. I received my Holy Ghost baptism back. So we left. We continued coming. Everything. The next encounter I had last year, so that same day, I bet our program here. After 21 days. Wait. So, I saw Daddy in my dream. Daddy ne teacher ni men law teacher sia dima ifuleba. Olu ototo odogwu was iron. Yes. Odogwu was iron. Very sharp iron. Ni men odogwu ba iron. My husband started receiving different contracts. Then when the contacts, I say maybe that we have been suffering just between January and now. God has lifted us. God has lifted my family. The last but not the least, and before somebody was busy monitoring us. Well, I name Akaje as in the odogu na yonni. Where will you sticker? If you monitor me, you die. Because every time he will tiptoe to my flat, then you wrong information about my family, even to the landlord. That the landlord started fighting us for no reason. If you monitor me, you die. And I told them to tell him that I'm a Zionite now, full member of Zion ministry. No more the top also. Now the God of Zion got put you up and up. He continued. As I speak to you, the last day he went to my apartment to pee. Spine. I don't know, orthopedic hospital as I speak to you now. Zion, this is not ARRANGEE. ARRANGEE, I will not be here. Because you are not ordinary, that's why you're here. Ordinarily, you will not be here. I did not come here on my own. Something brought me because we are not ordinary.